Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're using Ubuntu 24.04 and want a fast, powerful, and lightweight text editor, then Vim is a must-have tool. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to install Vim on Ubuntu 24.04 using a few simple commands, plus how to verify the installation and launch Vim for the first time. This tutorial works for desktop and server versions. Let's get started. Before installing anything, always update your system. This ensures you're installing the latest version of Vim from Ubuntu's repositories. What is Vim? Vim is one of the most popular and powerful text editors in the Linux world. It's fast, customizable, and perfect for editing configuration files, coding, or working on servers. Some versions of Ubuntu often ship with Vim Tiny, a stripped-down version of Vim with fewer features. Check if Vim is installed by running this command. Seems mine Vim Tiny is not installed. To install the full version, just run this command. Vim Tiny removes many features, such as syntax, highlighting plugins, clipboard support, advanced scripting, and many configuration options. So if you want the full Vim experience, you'll want to install the complete package. To check the version of Vim installed, run this command. By the way, if Vim Tiny is installed, you can remove it using this command. To open Vim, just type Vim and press Enter, and that's it. Now you know the difference between Vim Tiny and the full Vim editor, and you've installed the complete version on Ubuntu 24.04. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know what Linux tutorial you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.